Pack with me for National American Miss. Today is the day we pack for National American Miss. I already kind of started getting organized. I got all my papers and forms organized, so I have my little binder, which if you are ever competing in a pageant, I highly recommend putting all of your check-in forms in a binder. It just makes everything more organized. And then I have a little pen right here to just make any adjustments or sign any paperwork that I might need. I currently have my old headshot in the front, but I will be changing that out before we leave. So don't mind that. She has been ordered, so she will be picked up tonight. So don't mind that. But I do have our tentative schedule. We don't get the finalized schedule until we check in, but it pretty much stays the same. I've never ever seen the NAM's schedule change too drastically. So right now we are going to pack for the National American Miss Maryland/Virginia pageant. We leave tomorrow, which is crazy to think about, but I'm also moving into my apartment. So I moved out for the summer. All of my stuff is still there. I'm just bringing up some clothes and some other stuff that I got while being home that I want to bring back up. So I'm also doing that too. So the car will be packed, but I already started getting organized. So for this pageant, I'm doing all of my own makeup. So I have my makeup ready to go. My mom is doing my hair, so we have 2 curling irons. We are ready for that. And then in here, we also just have everything else I might need. So sticky boobs, a steamer, tanning mitts, earrings, all that fun stuff. I actually lost I guess I didn't lose them. I misplaced them. My formal wear earrings, so I ordered a new pair of those. My check-in outfit doesn't have matching earrings, and I had them, and now they're missing. So I ordered some of those, and then I forgot to order casual wear earrings, so I ordered that, and those will all be here tomorrow. So my dad and I leave tomorrow morning at 6 in the morning, but my mom is flying up on Friday, and so she'll be able to bring those with her. So not too worried about that, but that's everything in this bag minus those 3 pairs of earrings. It's now time to pack the suitcase. So my plan is to somehow fit all of my outfits besides my gown in here, as well as shoes. And I think we can do it because my parents are flying back after the pageant, and so I'm originally from Florida, and the national pageant is in Florida. So they're just gonna bring everything back when they come home, and I stay up there for school. And so it'll be here for nationals. So they're bringing home this suitcase and maybe a smaller one, we'll see. So that's kind of the plan. So we're gonna start backwards and work our way to the beginning of the weekend. So last thing first is we have the pageant finale, and so that's where I wear my gown and my jean shorts. I just want to make sure for kickoff I don't need my jean shorts, so I'm going to pack those last. If you know NAM has the opening number outfit, which is jean shorts and their shirt with white sneakers and white socks. I have my jean shorts for that, so I'm gonna pack these. I'm gonna roll them, and then they also have a little tie for the belt loop, so I'm just gonna wrap that around them as well. So that'll go in there. Before that, I have interview and rehearsal. So interview and personal intro, I'm wearing a new dress. I'm wearing this bad boy, and so I think I'm going to put this as well, this in the same garment bag as my gown, because I don't want it to wrinkle, and so I think I'm just gonna put this with that. So I'm gonna hold off on this one. Same with this dress. So this is kind of my backup interview personal intro outfit. I plan to wear this for spokesmodel, so she will be worn for spokesmodel. So I feel like I could roll her up, but she's not really wrinkly. So I think I might also put this with my gown in the garment bag. So then that means we have casual outfits. So these are my 2 rehearsal outfits. I think I'm gonna just pack these because I'm not too worried about them getting wrinkled, because it's not that big of a deal if they are wrinkled. So just gonna roll these up. Rehearsal outfit number 1, we have this cute black romper. Rehearsal outfit number 2, we have this white romper. Yay! So then moving back on the schedule, our like last optional is fun fitness. So I'm going to pack this little workout set. Fitness, before fun fitness, we have casual wear. I plan on wearing this yellow dress as well as these shorts because the dress is a little short and a little see-through, but they match pretty well, and so I'm hoping if I do flash anyone, they just think it's a romper and it's not that big of a deal, but just in case. But I'm really excited for casual wear because I have not competed in casual wear since I think I first came back to NAM in 2021. And then before that, I think I only competed it once, and my prop was a suitcase that actually just broke. But this year, my prop is a clear umbrella, so we'll see how that goes. I feel like I'm a little nervous to have the umbrella, like what if it gets stuck or whatever, but the show must go on. Okay, and then rehearsal, kickoff, runway. Okay, my first optional is runway. So I'm re-wearing this outfit again. It's these black shorts and this black top. So I'm just gonna pack this up kind of carefully though, because these like can deflate, and so I don't want that to happen. Then I'll pack this hanger to hang the shirt on because it's kind of difficult to just like have anywhere else. Honestly, actually, wait, I take that back. I might just put this in the garment bag as well. I have the PJ party. So for that, I'm wearing this flamingo PJ set that I wore at Nationals in States last year. Just super fun flamingos. Bringing a little bit of Florida with me. I honestly don't feel like it really matters how I pack as long as everything fits, because I'll probably just unpack when we get to the hotel to make sure nothing gets too wrinkled. I'm also bringing this tube top because it's just easy to do hair and makeup in, because I can just like slide it off and then get into my outfit that I'm wearing without worrying about anything messing up my hair or my makeup. The last thing I have to worry about packing for NAM is my check-in outfit. And I'm so excited for this. It's this white blazer dress, and I'm wearing this pink top under it, which I'm also gonna wear for the PJ party, and then these white shorts. I cannot tell you how excited I am for this. Like, it's gonna look so good. I'm so excited. But that is that for outfits. So I'm just gonna roll up the white shorts. Again, don't wanna flash anyone, and if I do, they'll just see some white shorts. I actually wore this for a banquet and I got so many compliments on it. It's off of Amazon, and it is like my favorite fancy outfit to wear. And then the pink tank top matches a pair of pink heels that I wore for my high school graduation perfectly. So I'm just gonna pair this top under the white blazer and wear the pink heels. So I'm really excited for that. Okay, so I think that's all the outfits we have to worry about besides like sleeping PJs. And I'm gonna pack just a couple hangers because I don't want anything to get, like, if we don't have enough hangers in the hotel, I don't want anything to get like ruined or wrinkly. So I'm gonna pack up some hangers as well, just to be safe. Okay, so now it's time for shoes. This is the part where it gets tricky because I have so many shoes for NAM, it's not even funny. So first pair of shoes I have are my slippers. These are great to wear like in between, like walking from our hotel room to the ballroom. My feet don't hurt in my heels. It's great, I love it. Packing myself a pair of slippers. I have another pair of slippers. I just like to be over the top, and so these match my PJ outfits. So I'm gonna put these in a plastic bag so they don't stink up my clothes, because I wore these last year and I got really sweaty and I didn't wear socks, which like a little gross, but they're a little tight on my feet. I have quite large feet, and so you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. So I'm gonna put these in a trash, like a little plastic bag, and put a dryer sheet with them so they don't stink up the suitcase. Next, I have my formal wear heels. Super nice, super nice. I wore these for our Golden Paws event and I got really bad blisters. So this time I'm ready with Band-Aids and moleskin to wear on the back of my heel, because that blister was not fun and I don't want that to happen again. but I have them in these little shoe bags to keep them safe. As I mentioned, NAM is known for their opening number dance, where you're asked to wear white sneakers, jean shorts, and their production number shirt, which I'm gonna get when I'm there. So these are the white sneakers. The next pair of shoes I have are my interview and personal introduction shoe. It's just a nude pointed toe, closed-toed little heel. Super fancy, I know. I've been wearing these for the past 4 years, I think. So they've never done me dirty. So these will be getting packed as well. Next, I have these white little booties. I'm wearing these for casual wear. I wore these for rehearsal during nationals and they got kind of scuffed up, but I honestly don't think it's that noticeable. So we'll be wearing these for casual wear. And they're just super comfortable. So if I don't feel like wearing like a nice little heel for something, I can just put on the boots and I'll be good. 2 more pairs of shoes. I have these huge black heels for runway. They're like a half size too big, so my toes like to grip the edge because I can't really like walk in them comfortably because they're a little big. So if you're watching my runway video, keep an eye out for that because the toes are gripping because they're scared they're gonna fall out. So these are my runway shoes. Last pair of shoes are my pink check-in shoes. I wore these for my high school graduation. They're my favorite thing ever. They like lace up your like calf and they look so pretty. I love them so much. And I store all of my shoes in shoe boxes, but I just think like traveling and flying back, it's gonna be harder to just have everything fit in boxes. So I'm just putting them in plastic bags and kind of hoping for the best. I feel like the second I get to the hotel, I'm just gonna reorganize all of this, but I'm just gonna put my makeup in here as well as the curling iron, sticky boobs, we have a lot of those. And then everything else can just stay in this bag, so it's like hairspray, bobby pins, hairbrush, tanning mitts, fake nails, all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna keep those, I think, separate. And I think everything looks pretty good. In here I have my earrings, some hair stuff, and just like shoe stuff, like moleskin, band-aids, all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna end up putting that in here just so it fits a little bit snugger, but that's everything. I have not practiced with this, so this is gonna be entertaining for all of us to watch. But don't worry, I'll be vlogging. So if something funny happens, I'll make sure to add it into the vlog. But I think we are pretty much packed for NAM and for college. So I feel like summer is officially over, but I'm excited for this semester. I think it's gonna be a good one. But that is everything I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you next time, and stay tuned for the National American Miss Maryland vlog.